Here's a Minecraft horror story. The Cursed Server. Players survive while Steve joined a mysterious Minecraft server called Eternal Darkness. The server's description promised a unique survival experience, with custom-made maps and exclusive game modes. As Steve spawned in the world, he noticed something off. The sky was a deep, blood-red hue, and the trees seemed to twist and writhe like living serpents. Steve began to explore, but soon realized he wasn't alone. Players with distorted, glitchy names like XXX No Face XXX and _entity _404 inches roamed the map, their avatars twisted and corrupted. One player, the Crawler, approached Steve. His avatar's skin was stretched, revealing skeletal features beneath. "Welcome to Eternal Darkness," the Crawler whispered. "You'll never leave." Steve tried to flee, but the server's terrain shifted and changed, trapping him in an endless labyrinth of caves and ravines. As night fell, the mobs grew more aggressive. Zombies and skeletons moved with an unnatural intelligence, hunting Steve relentlessly. Suddenly, Steve stumbled upon an abandoned mine shaft. Inside, he found a cryptic message scrawled on the wall. "They're coming for you. Don't craft. Don't build. Don't breathe." Steve ignored the warning and began crafting tools. But with each item, the mobs grew stronger, and the Crawler's whispers grew louder. One fateful night, Steve crafted a diamond sword. The server's sky turned black, and an eerie pulsing light enveloped him. The Crawler appeared, his avatar now a twisted, eldritch horror. "You should have listened," the Crawler hissed as the mobs closed in. Steve's screen went dark. When he logged back in, his character was gone. The server was offline. But the nightmare persisted. Steve's Minecraft game now displayed an eternal, glitched landscape. The Crawler's whispers echoed through his computer speakers. And when Steve checked his player files, he found a single chilling message. "You're still playing. Would you like another Minecraft horror story?"